How to use a portable floor projector. This is an all-in-one device. This is the projector remote control, which is generally not needed. This is the settings remote control, mainly used for power on/off and volume adjustment. First, connect the power supply. Then turn on the main power switch. The device supports auto power on and will start automatically when powered. Wait for the screen to finish starting up. The projector will also start automatically. The device has started successfully. In addition, you can press the red button on the settings remote control to power on or off. You can also use the physical buttons on the device to power on or off. Let's demonstrate. Press and hold the button to turn off the device. Press and hold again to start the device. Both methods can be used to start the device. Now let's look at the screen. There are 4 categories here. You can choose different games. After selecting a game, the recommended number of players and game duration will be displayed. Swipe left or right to view more games. Select a game first, then click Start. The floor projector will automatically display the selected game, and you can start playing directly. The device software has been fully configured before delivery. No additional setup is required. In addition, you can use the settings remote control to adjust the volume. There are plus and minus buttons here. During gameplay, this screen will enter standby mode. Touch it again to select a game. If not using the device, you can turn it off. If unused for a long time, turn off the main power supply.